In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize a sandwich in the Subway app. So to do this, you want to start the order / menu, click on the sub that you want. If you want to make a deal, select that. So here is where we customize the sandwich. We can pick the size, the type of bread, pick whether it's toasted or regular, pick the protein. The customization options depend on which sub that you choose. Some will have different options than other ones. So here the regular double meal, pick the type of cheese, and any extras, salads, etc. Seasonings, sauces, ingredients, salads. And once you're done with that, you'll press continue. And yeah, that is how you customize a sandwich on the Subway app. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.